Today, I am reviewing the Ricoh PJ WUL5A50 Compact 3 LCD Laser Projector. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. I have spent considerable time working with various projection technologies in demanding professional environments, and the Ricoh PJ WUL5A50 is a piece of hardware that truly commands respect. After integrating this 3 LCD laser projector into a high-traffic conference setting, I can tell you that it represents a significant leap forward in the compact laser category. Often, when you see a projector this small, you expect to compromise on either brightness or color accuracy, but Ricoh has managed to engineer a unit that delivers 5,200 lumens of consistent, punchy light without the bulk typically associated with high-output laser engines. The first thing that stands out during actual use is the 3 LCD color performance. Unlike many single-chip DLP projectors that can suffer from the rainbow effect or muted color brightness, this Ricoh model produces a remarkably balanced image. Because 3 LCD technology projects all 3 primary colors simultaneously, the white light and the color light are rated equally. This means that when you are displaying a complex data visualization or a high-resolution marketing video, the reds are deep and the blues are vibrant, rather than appearing washed out. The native WUXGA resolution of 1920 by 1200 provides that extra vertical real estate that is so critical for spreadsheets and technical documents, and its ability to accept and downscale a 4K input ensures that you are future-proofed for modern content sources. One of the most practical benefits I encountered was the sheer speed and flexibility of the setup. In a professional world where time is money, the quick startup and shutdown times are a revelation. You aren't standing around waiting for a lamp to warm up or cool down. The image is there the moment you need it, and you can pack up the moment the meeting ends. The installation flexibility is equally impressive. The 360-degree installation capability means this unit can be mounted at any angle, which is a lifesaver for creative digital signage or awkward ceiling configurations. I was particularly impressed with the built-in 4-corner correction and keystone adjustments. It allowed me to achieve a perfectly rectangular 300-inch image even when the projector wasn't perfectly centered with the screen, saving me from hours of physical mounting adjustments. Maintenance is another area where this projector justifies its investment. The multi-module laser light source is rated for up to 30,000 hours in eco mode. To put that in perspective, if you use this projector for 8 hours every single day, it would last for over 10 years before you'd even need to think about the light source. This reliability is a massive relief for IT managers who are tired of the constant cycle of lamp replacements and the associated downtime. Even the audio performance surprised me. While most projector speakers are a mere afterthought, the built-in 16-watt speaker is surprisingly robust. It is more than capable of filling a mid to large-sized meeting room with clear, articulate sound, which means you don't always have to lug around an external sound system for every presentation. The compact chassis also makes it portable enough to move between different rooms or venues without needing a dedicated cart. In my testing, the Ricoh PJ WUL5A50 proved itself to be a workhorse that balances high-end output with incredible ease of use. It solves the common pain points of professional projection by being bright enough for rooms with significant ambient light, flexible enough for any mounting scenario, and durable enough to last a decade. It is a sophisticated, reliable, and powerful tool that brings professional-grade laser projection into a form factor that is accessible and highly efficient. If you are looking for a no-nonsense, high-performance solution for a corporate or educational venue, this is a projector that will not let you down.